Hey guys, welcome to the ND72 YouTube channel, and this is my SLK32. Hey guys, what's up? This is Adam with ND72, and we're back over here. Today we're going to do the first modification to my brand new SLK32. So one of the first issues I was having with the car was it would spin basically anything under 40, even if I roll into it a little bit. So we're going to get rid of these 245, 40, 17 tires. We're going to keep the factory rims just for right now. I kind of like them. These are some no-name brand, blah, 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 whatever. Well, Tiger Paw, GTX, all seasons. Their tread is not too bad, but what we're going to do, still pretty new tread, but we're going to change it out for some, some good old Nittos, or not Nittos, the TOYO's R888Rs. So these are autocross tires, supposed to be a race compound, and I'm also changing the size. I'm going from a little bit bigger, go 255, 40, 17s. These should easily fit on the 8.5-inch rim, no issue. So we're gonna hope these work. They should work out. See how they do. Now I got the wheel off, I could check some stuff up. Looks like I will need to get in some pads soon. So I'll probably get some better brakes and all that stuff and be taking that and hitting any crap off. But back here, not too bad. Ooh, look, a nice little fuel filter and pump. Do a little bit of maintenance. Not bad. But also we're going to go hook up the scale. And we're going to see how much these weigh. And then check how much my new tire weighs. So when I get the whole setup, I just minus out what those are. And then I know what the factory weigh. Alright, we got the tire here. These, I think, were like 26, 28, maybe, they said. So it pulls up to be, can you see, 27. On this scale, that weighs 27. And then we'll take this one, which is the rear. Holy potatoes. Let's let this reset. I'll reset now. Put this one on there. Holy rampus. It's 48.4. Can you see it? 48.4. So it's 48.4 for that wheel and tire setup. And then this one is the 26. So when we get back, we'll reweigh it before we put it on the car, and we'll know exactly how much that rim weighs. The benefit of that is if I want to go with different rims, like if I want to go with like a FP1 or something like that, and then I know that these weigh X amount, and then I could go be like, all right, I want something lighter, so I know how much poundage I really effing save. So I can kind of help compare stuff. Because these are 17s by 8.5. So we'll see what the weight, because I think some the FP1s for like the same size, they're like 16 pounds or something crazy like that. So I might go with those. We'll see. But I still like these. I might even just paint them as long as they don't weigh too much. I don't even know what these weigh. I know what my other ones kind of weighed, and they usually, Mercedes rims are like well over 20. But we'll see. I'm going to load these up in the car right now with the rims and tires and go take them down to a place to go get them installed. The benefit of having multiple cars, you can just rip the tires off one, throw it in the other, just go there, and then you're not waiting that effing 2 hours at like a tire place. And who said you couldn't pack up with 2 seats in my nice little fun gutted car? We're going to go take this for a nice little trip. Got some cash, got my stupid mask that you got to effing wear now because hippies. But we're going to head over to the tire place, start getting going. Fire up the good old 55. Ooh, very nice, Jess. Good old 140, not bad, not bad. Power windows, fancy, fancy. Yeah, these tires, the new ones, are the same exact ones that I got on this car right now. So they hook up pretty nice. All right, bam, we're back with we got the new tires all mounted up. Not bad, not bad. Look pretty good. Nice and beefy. We'll clean them all up, go take a hit. And then we're gonna, well, right now we're gonna see how much these other ones weighed. Let's see what just this tire weighs, and then we'll do the math on, then we'll know how much that rim weighed. 21.8. That tire is like 21, 22-ish. So with that tire on the rim, before it measured up to like 48, 49. So we'll just say, what is that? So that means that rim probably weighs like 27 pounds. That's a pretty big, and the size of the rim is a 17 by 8.5. So if I could get some rims that weigh like 16 or 17 pounds, that's going to be a huge rotational weight difference. So that is 100% what we're going to be doing very soon. I already started looking, and I'm already about to pick the ones I want. But for now, we're going to see if this tire hooks up a lot better. Because what's going to help me out pick my rims and all that stuff is how wide I need to go for the tires. And if like a 255 will do, if not, I need 275. Because it's not going to be like a drag car, but I want to be able to at least hook up at like 20 rolls and all that stuff like easily enough without doing like a crap load of like suspension and weight in the rear. So we're going to take it for a ride. Oh yeah, also what I did, I got the new tint already done. Ooh, yeah. Right about here, I'll put in what the old tint looked like, and then I'll show you what all the new ones look like. So as you saw in the pictures, we had all the bubbles back there on that one. This window wasn't that bad originally, but then the window over here, it was like straight up like peeling down. So pretty nice. I can't pull the windows down for like 3 or 4 days now, but it is so much nicer with the tint. Nice dark tint, and yes, it is legal-ish. And then even before on the back, you had all the rips back there as you saw from the picture. Now, nothing. I can see so clear. My teeny little camera see right out. Very nice, very nice. Alright, we got the car all warmed up. I've been driving around. It's about like 88 degrees. Got the nice AC blowing because I can't put my effing windows down. But this new tint, so I can see so much better out of there. So, bollocks. Only in Mexico. Oh, nice 20 pull. So we did about like 7 or 8 pulls, got it nice and hot. It's like 88 degrees out, AC running, and I rolled it in a lot harder now than I was doing before, and it's like a night and day difference. I still spin like very little bit, as you saw on the run I just showed you, like very minutely. Before it was like you tap it and you just light them up. So a 20 roll, not bad. I do like these tires. So what they are, they're the R888Rs, or autocross race compound tires. I got them in 255/40, so it's a little, like 10 millimeters bigger than what factory is on there. Yes, they weigh 26 pounds, which is kind of a heavy tire. So I added, because the last ones were 20, so I added 12 pounds of rotational mass on the rear with this wheel and tire setup. But, geez, like you hook up and you just feel the car like start pulling a lot more. And it definitely feels a lot better. So I'm still debating if I want to go up in tire size when I get the new rims, but we're going to rock these for a while and keep looking for rims and try to find a nice good deal, and then maybe do suspension, a couple other things. But even this tint, so much nicer. But a lot of things coming for this car, a lot of things, not bad. Oh yeah, well, also what I did is I went and got the car weighed. See? I don't know if you could tell right there. Let me flip it around. So I got the car weighed a couple days ago, and it came out to 3260. Bam. Factory with no real stuff in the car, a couple tools, and the fuel. So pretty good for factory, so I know what I could drop down to. So if anyone's wondering, that's what they weigh with the full setup. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed. This is Adam with ND72. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram at BuffyCLK500. And see you guys next time. Enjoy.